Hello dear students, this is Mr. Mundetizi, Assistant Professor in Chemistry at the Sanjeevanee College, Chapoli. Today we are continuing the lastly taught topic, that is synthetic drugs and dyes. Yesterday we have seen the definition of drug and its introduction. Then we had seen the characteristics of an ideal drug. As all of you know that there is no drug which is an ideal, but few of characteristics must be present, or most of the characteristics must be present in that drug. So when we are designing a drug, at that time we must take into account the characteristics of an ideal drug. Then we had seen the classification of drugs. Based on its characteristics, work, and these are functional drugs and therapeutic drugs. After completion of all those points deeply, today we are going to synthesize some of the drugs that are useful in our day-to-day life. And the first drug is aspirin. When we are considering about the preparation of aspirin, at that time the starting material is salicylic acid and acetic anhydride. Instead of acetic anhydride, we can also use acetyl chloride. Now, what is happening in this case? Firstly, we have to prepare salicylic acid from phenol. When phenol undergoes carboxylation with carbon dioxide at ortho and para position, ortho or para position, at that time it used to orthohydroxybenzoic acid, that is called salicylic acid. Now this salicylic acid is when heated with acetic anhydride in presence of an acid such as phosphoric acid, then it gives to you acetyl salicylic acid, that is aspirin. In this reaction, there is simple acylation of phenolic OH group and there is formation of aspirin. This is so simple reaction, just you have to remind starting materials and the product. Starting material is salicylic acid and acetic anhydride, catalyst is phosphoric acid or any acid, and then the product is aspirin. Then in which cases this aspirin can be used? This aspirin is used as analgesics, antipyretic and anti-inflammatory agent. It means when we are suffering from the fever or headache or any body pain, and if we have inflammation in our body, at that time we can take this aspirin. All these were the uses of aspirin. Then the next is paracetamol.